Well, it doesn't seem like it needs any stabilisation, but let's switch on to stage 1. Okay, like it's on rails now. Wow. Still needs a little bit of up trim. Still a little more up trim. But the CFG is definitely sorted now. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Right, let's go 2 mistakes high. Bring it round again. Bit of rudder in the turn, works really well. Keep it nice and steady and smooth. Left turn is, right turn I should say, is pretty standard. And down to about 2/3 throttle. Okay, bring the throttle up now. Okay, we're going to go to full throttle and climb. Climbs beautifully. And let's put in a loop. Nice big one off at the top. Well, it wasn't particularly straight or big or loopy, but anyway, lots of things to learn. But the low, slowish pass is pretty good. I've only got the aileron set at 80% at the moment because I had a sticking servo. Oh, I'm getting swamped in flies now, you can probably see that on camera. Right, battery time is up, but still going strong. Very tight turns. That rudder is very authoritative. Yeah, still got some work to do on those loops. I shouldn't be flying it behind me, should I? It's not generally looked upon as good practice, but here we go. Just having too much fun. Still rolls even with the limited aileron, which is quite nice. I thought we'd struggle with that. bottled out of the inverted flight, but obviously will, although the real one didn't like it. Damn carburetors. It's a struggle to know where the wind's coming. Oh, I haven't tried. No, once again, not that it needs stabilisation at the moment, but let's try full stabilisation. It seems rather... oh, I don't like that. Okay, stabilisation off. I think the battery is now starting to struggle, so let's come in for a landing. Round again. It didn't want to come down. Got to use that down elevator, John. There we go. Well, most successful.